Leave request approval process. Once a leave request has been created, the leave request approval process will be triggered. The process will then progress through the following steps. Step 1. Leave request approval or rejection. A task will be sent to your direct manager to approve or reject the submitted leave request. The manager completes this task by deciding on the request and clicking the Complete button. Step 2. Leave request email notification. Once your manager submits their response to your leave request, an email notification will be sent to you listing your manager's response and any comments. Step 3. Manager reminder. If the leave request was approved, a reminder email will be sent to the manager 7 days prior to the start date of leave. This process enables the managers to seamlessly decide on employees' leave request and also get reminders for managing team workload and commitments. It also notifies the employees about the decision of their leave request.